At this moment, may we call in our original Chief Administrative Division and concurrent Chief of Legal Services Unit, Fire Chief Inspector Attorney Ruel B. Carriadose, to introduce and read a brief history of our esteemed honorees. A round of applause, please.
Mayong hapon sa tanan. Good afternoon, everyone. Nimubuh ba or ako mo yung nimubuh? Today we gather not only to mark the culmination of a remarkable career, but to celebrate a man whose life has been a steadfast embodiment of integrity and service. This is our way of paying tribute to their years of faithful service, sacrifices, and accomplishments that have been left a lasting mark in the Bureau and communities they serve. We honor a highly dedicated fire officers of the Bureau of Fire Protection Region 10, men whose name has become synonymous with someone reliable, devoted, and purposeful. As his name, Gabino, is often associated with Saint Gabino or San Gabino, a Christian martyr from Sardinia, Italy, where symbolizes loyalty and guided with purpose. Ladies and gentlemen, he was born on October 16, 1969, and hailing from Bayog, Zamboanga del Sur, he has built a distinguished record of serving spanning more than 2 decades, the majority of which was devoted, of course, to the Bureau of Fire Protection Region 10. He earned his Bachelor of Science in Business Administration from St. Columban College in 1998. He also holds 2 career service eligibilities. 1, Police Officer 1 eligibility, which was obtained in Pagadian City in 1997, and Fire Officer eligibility, which was earned in Cagayan de Oro City way back in 2005. His fire service journey began in 1998 as a Fire Officer 1, a calling he embraced wholeheartedly. Over the years, he served with distinction in various key positions, demonstrating versatility and a strong sense of leadership. From November 2018 to December 2020, he simultaneously served as Deputy City Fire Marshal of Higoong City Fire Station and Medina Fire Station. He was later assigned as Municipal Fire Marshal for Kinugitan and Lagunglong Fire Stations from 2021 to 2023. His most recent post was Acting Chief of the Inspection and Investigation Section under the Operations Division, ORD-BFB-10, a role which he carried out with exceptional diligence. As he closes this chapter and steps into the next, we express our deepest gratitude and highest respect. His legacy of service and leadership will continue to inspire those who remain in the ranks. Another one is retired Fire Inspector Ronito Jose Chicay, who was born and raised in Pagadian City. His parents were both public school teachers, and he has 2 siblings. He graduated with a bachelor's degree in nursing from Iligan Medical Center College in 1992 and successfully passed the nurse's licensure examination the following year. He began his professional career as a casual employee at the Zamboanga del Sur Provincial Hospital, where he served for 4 years before deciding to apply for the Fire Officer 1 position. He was officially absorbed into the Bureau of Fire Protection on November 16, 1992. His mother unit was, 1998 pala. Medyo mali ang Marites. 1998 pala. His mother unit was Mantika Municipal Fire Station. And over the years, he was also assigned to various fire stations across Region 10. Sa atin ng Cavite. He served as OIC Municipal Fire Marshal of Aloran Municipal Fire Station for almost 5 years. And later at Bonifacio Municipal Fire Station for 1 year. His last assignment was at the office of the Provincial Fire Marshal as Chief Operations Branch. Retired Fire Inspector Kain faithfully served the Bureau of Fire Protection for 26 years and 11 months and officially retired from the service on October 22, 2025. Very fresh from the oven. Another man of the night. Idol. Fire Inspector Perfecto was this Tito Ligid, fondly called as Tito, was born on October 22, 1969 in Sultan Naga de Maporo, Lanao del Norte. He completed his elementary education at Tambulaan Elementary School in 1983 and finished high school at Christ the King High School in 1987. He later earned his Bachelor of Science in Agriculture from Lanao del Norte Agricultural College in 1993. He joined the Bureau of Fire Protection on October 1, 1997 as a Fire Officer 1, where he faithfully served with dedication and professionalism. Through his years of committed service, he rose through the ranks, earning several promotions until reaching the rank of Senior Fire Officer 4 on December 24, 2022. His 26 years of loyal service exemplified integrity, discipline, and devotion to duty, qualities that reflect the true spirit of a public servant. Ladies and gentlemen, among his notable accomplishments are the forging of a Memorandum of Understanding with Holcim Philippines Incorporated for water refilling after fire operations, and his role in facilitating the signing of the land donation agreement between the local government unit and the BFP. He has also actively responded to numerous fire operations, particularly with the highly urbanized areas of Cagayan de Oro City, where he served for 8 years. Outside of duty, Tito is known for his fatherly nature, approachable demeanor, and understanding personality. A passionate basketball player. He embodies teamwork both on and off the court. And by the way, he is happily married to Mrs. Maria Juna A. Ligid and a proud father to 2 daughters, namely Yuna Kel Erin, 21 years old, and Yula Ayesa Marie, 18 years old. Another man of the night, Angelito Abastas Tagumpal is the 5th son of Francisco and Teresita Tagumpal, born on October 25, 1969 in Maligao, Tubut, Lanao del Norte. Among the family of 8 siblings, he is the only one who had the opportunity to complete a college education, a blessing he has always held with deep gratitude and responsibility. He pursued his studies at ICC Lasal University, where he earned his degree in Bachelor of Science in Geodetic Engineering. As a bond scholar, he played the tenor saxophone, which helped him through his academic journey and shaped much of his character, discipline, perseverance, and teamwork. He graduated in 1993 and successfully passed the board exam for geodetic engineers in 1996. Never in his plans did he imagine joining the uniformed service, let alone the Bureau of Fire Protection. But life has its own way of unfolding, He was invited to consider the Bureau by a fellow church member who saw potential in him. With hope and determination, he applied as a striker at the PFP Old Regional Office in Cagayan de Oro City. Kani po, dahil po kabalo ni. Kahoy pa. Under the leadership of then Assistant Regional Director, Fire Chief Superintendent Romeo Villaverde. It was a long and uncertain wait because it took nearly a year without any assurance that he can be hired. But he held on. And finally, on October 1, 1997, he was officially accepted into the Bureau of Fire Protection with a humble starting salary of only 4,500 pesos. The moment marked the beginning of a meaningful and fulfilling career in the public service. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, he is blessed with a beautiful family. He's married to a wonderful woman, and together they have 3 children. One of whom also followed his footsteps and is now serving the Bureau of Fire Protection. He is also a proud grandfather to 2 lovely grandchildren. Lolo na ito, sir. And now, 28 years and 24 days later, he stands before you at the threshold of compulsory retirement. Looking back, he is filled with gratitude for the opportunities he was given, the challenges that shaped him, and the people who journeyed with him throughout his service. Ladies and gentlemen, let us once again give our retirees a warm round of applause for their outstanding service to the Bureau of Fire Protection. Congratulations and happy retirement. Good luck with the next job. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for that wonderfully engaging and insightful narration of our honors lives and their accomplishments in the fire service.